Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is part of a training playlist which is in the description. And last but not least is my personal preference, which is that whenever you do these kind of calculations along, I mean, this is just gross profit, you might have overheads and a lot of things in there, and at the end you have a profit. There is a probability that this profit might not be correct because maybe you just did this formula and that wasn't correct. Maybe you missed something. Maybe you missed the living room here. So what do you think to maybe have a check total, because you will be going to provide this file to someone else and there is a probability someone messes this up trying to add another month, maybe another data in there. That's why I always try to have a check total. I mean, this is what I created a terminology. I created this terminology that I'll use the check total to see if this report is okay. Well, you can use many check total, whatever you want, but at least let me show you a simple check total here. This is the profit here. Let's do this in a simple way. We go to the first month, we copy this and paste here. Now this one is no, sorry, not this one. Copy this here. This was a formula. Now this is trying to get this blank here. We don't want any criteria, so B29 is criteria, which is criteria range of D. We'll just get rid of this. So we want a sum based on M, then month, start and end. These are fine. Let's press enter. Now this 964 is this commission, because this we just got rid of these two criteria, so it is giving us a sum. What we want here is in data tab. Let's just clear this filter. If you want to clear a filter, you can simply click here and clear filter. If you want to clear all the filters, you have to go here and clear the filter, or you can go to data and clear this filter here, or you can simply press H or Alt HSC. So this was gross profit. We calculated here in another way, in on our own way or whatever way, and we want to double check with this. I think this would be a double check, a good double check. So this column here is column N. So for the same criteria, we want sum of column N and press enter. This is 38,560 for this month, and you can see this is 38,560. So what I'll do is at the end I'll do a minus this. So this 0 means that we are trying to get the profit from the data tab from a certain way, not this way, and double check that this profit is same whatever we calculated. If there are any mistakes in calculations, if we missed something, maybe there was another category here apart from living room, then in either of these with either of these problems or missings, we'll have a number here apart from 0. So we'll call this checks or check total or whatever you call it. Let's do this like italic and move it to the right. You maybe font size or whatever you want to. I mean, this is just a double check. We'll just copy this and paste till these 12 months. This total, we don't have this total, and we can just let's leave this for now because this is sum either way. So copy paste here, paste here, double checking. You see this is December 19 and it's matching with this, so no worries. Paste, 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 paste. Now how would you know if any one of this formula is not showing a 0? Maybe we forgot this number here. Then you see this is a check total problem. Once I do undo, now this is 0. but if it is hidden, we won't be able to find this. So what I do here is I go here on the top, I do an equal sum, I go for here right, then I press Control Shift right, 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 and I'm just holding right button and it is moving till the end of the sheets, whatever it is. Because if more rows or columns are added, then it will simply include. So I'll press enter, and now this one here is a, it is not showing because let's move this here to see. You see this is 0 now. So this 0 is a check total for all of these columns and rows. And let's even do this grouping, another grouping, so this check total is not visible in print. And now we have this report almost ready. We can do this as a breakdown or whatever months we want to show or not. It's simple. You can even manually hide any row or column like this. Hide. You see this is BP and then BR. After P it is Q, not R. So it means there is a hidden column in between, because this is a single line and these are two lines. To unhide, we select these two and go for unhide. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Excel tutorials. Again, this video is part of a full training. You can find the link in the description and save the playlist or bookmark. I'll see you soon in the next video.